On Saturday, 24th of September 2022, the Minister of Italian Defense has sent a special charter to provide first aid for Pakistani people after the devastating floods that have recently affected the country. The aircraft has brought goods based on the first needs required by National Disaster Management Authority, and particularly tents, motor pumps, water lifting station, blankets, sheets, hospital-type beds with backboards and medicines. Talking to the media, Italian military attaché Colonel Enrico Rosa stated,
Let me express on behalf of the Italian defense and all the country our deepest condolences for what happened with these tragic floods that devastated Pakistan in its territory. Of course, this is a first aid, a first drop, and is a part of the activities that Italy is carrying out in order to support Pakistan, both domestically and within the international institutions.
Deputy Head of Mission, Consulate General of Italy, Karachi, Enrico Rosa said,
The Pakistani is very generous people. When there was the COVID in Italy, there was the EDI Foundation who made a very generous donation to Italy. So it was our duty to reply, and we are very happy that in Italy there are so many Pakistani people. It's the biggest community in Europe after England.
This action is part of the work that Italy will carry out both domestically and through international institutions aimed at supporting Pakistan.